Previous video we handle from form using use reducer. Now we are going to use method 4, approach 4 without any state. So use reducer and use state both are state. Let's do without state. So no state. uh, we have this form and we have this reducer function. We have to remove all the thing. We don't need this. Now we don't need any reducer state or use state. We can grab all the data without any state. For that we don't want control form. We can directly grab all the values from input. So let's remove the values from input and on change, because that we don't want. From here, on change, on change, checked, also we don't want. On change, checked, on change, on change, on change, checked, checked, on change. We have to remove from all the inputs on drop down also. And the last text area, let's see if there is any error. No error. Okay, we have to grab this whole form element from a DOM. So how can we do that? Document.query selector in vanilla JavaScript, but here we use ref to get uh, this element, form element. Let's do use ref to grab this form. uh, let's give my form name, that will be inside this variable, and use ref, and initially it will be nothing. So inside current property on my form we will get this form element. If we console dot log my form dot current property, so if we submit, form data is not defined. So previously we have form data. From here it will give an error, so let's comment that. And if I again submit, yes, we will get this whole form element. You can see, if I hover over it will show all the form. Now to grab the data we have inbuilt method, that will be const form is equal to new form data, and inside form data we have to pass this element, form element. If we console the form, we will get this object. Inside prototype we can iterate through its values and entries also, so kind of iteratable. uh, we have only for each iteratable method, and we have values and entries. This is similar when we use object dot entries and object dot values. So let's use form dot entries, and this will be the object. So we have to convert into object dot object to from entries. So array to object, we have to convert this array to objects, so for that we can use from entries. We need one bracket, one bracket. If I submit, there will be all the username, join reason, experience and email. So here problem is that we can't get radio and checkbox value. Drop down also we get the value. So this new form method we can use only for contact form, review form, that will take this basics input value. For that, this new form data method will be better, so we don't need to handle all the things here. We need only this new form data method, and we have to grab that form element, and we can use also object console dot table. If we do console dot log table, we will get uh, abcd into table all the data you can see. So it's total 6 minutes, and we can post this information. So we will get the checkbox also, I think. Not the checkbox, but yes, only single value is working. That will be gender also, radio button. uh, this skill is not working, so you can see text input working, email working, gender working, skill is not working, drop down is also working. If I do intermediate, so this is really helpful for if we want to build form uh, quickly and post this data to backend. So if you don't want to use this state, you can use this, and you can also check other method like what console.log, and in this prototype what are the other methods that we don't know how to use. Form data, there is for each entries we already did. If we do values only, values, then let's see uh, values, iterate, not iteratable object, console.log. Let's remove all this, and not entry object, from entry values. I think it will not work. For each also work if we use from for each, and it will take callback function. Inside all the values, console.log values. So as you can see, all the values are working. This username, email, gender, skill is not working, similar. So you can check what uh, method do you want to use. Entries is better because you will get the key also, and separately you can use keys and values separately. So thank you.